Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. In today's class, I have brought you an activity which is Montessori Inspired EPL activity. EPL means Exercises of Practical Life. The direct aim of this activity is to train the muscles of the kids to hold objects and to do some complex exercises later on. The name of the activity is sponging water, and the things we need are a bowl with some water, okay, a duster, a napkin or piece of towel, a sponge, and a plastic mat. I have this disposable one. Before I proceed any further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and turn on the bell notification so whenever I post a video, you will be notified first. So come on, let's start it. The first step of the activity is to take the consent of the child. Ask him that I have designed a very new activity for you today. Do you like to see that? If the child says yes, so bring him to the place and ask him to hold the tray and move towards the place of presentation or the table you want to do the activity at. Okay? Now, let's take the mat first. Spread the mat over the table. It's better to take all the things of the same color, but since I did not have, so I'm doing with whatever was at my home. Okay, the mat is spread. If you are a right-handed person, do not forget to make the child sit on your left-hand side and do not make the child sit in front of you, because if you do this, when he imitates you, he will get the mirror image. And whatever you are doing with the right hand, he will be doing with the left hand. Okay? So come on, let's start the activity. Take the sponge, dip in the water. It's better to take a soft sponge. Okay? Dip it into the water. Pick it up. And then squeeze. Children really love the activities which are near to nature, like the activities of water or the activities of sand. Pick it up. Show it to the child. And now squeeze it. Okay? It's such an interesting activity for the kid. And by squeezing the sponge like this, he will strengthen his muscles of the hand, which will help him in pencil holding and in other exercises which he will do in future. After doing this, you see if there is any droplet, you clean with the duster. Okay. If there is something on the mat, clean it. Keep it here. Take the napkin, wipe your hand, and ask the child that if he wants to do the activity, if he says yes, allow him to do this and just leave him for as much time as he wants to do. When the kid is good in that exercise and he lost his interest after a few days or few weeks or few months, you can do some variation with that activity, and now you can introduce two bowls. One has water and the other one is empty. Now what you have to do, the arrangement is the same. Take the consent of the child, bring the material to the place of presentation, and then show him. You can even add some color to it. I'm going to add some food color. This is the food color. It's very safe for the child, so no worries. Now it's a new challenge for the child to transfer the water from this bowl to the other bowl. The aim is same, to train his muscles, to strengthen his hand muscle to hold other objects, to hold the pencil. So come on, let's see how to do this. Dip the sponge in this water. You can add any color, whatever your child like. Okay, pick it up. It's not dripping. And squeeze. Whenever you show any activity to your child, try not to speak while you are doing something and not to do anything when you are speaking something. Now this one is empty. Cross it. If there is any water, you can just wipe it. Ask the child if he wants to do the activity and then let him do. Once the child has done the activity, it's time to tell him the wind up. Ask him to throw the water in the basin. Once he has done this, wipe the bowl. Okay. This is the wind up that's very important. You must tell the child how to wind up his activity and how to clean the mess, whatever is there. Let's see if there is anything on the tray. Wipe it. Put the bowls back. Put the sponge here. Dry the hands with the napkin if they are wet. Keep the napkin here. The duster here. Fold the mat properly. Keep the mat here. And that's it. Now put the tray back at its place. This activity will really help the mothers who are worried about the pencil holding or other kind of holding of their kids. This will strengthen the hand muscle of the kids and the movement as well, and will surely increase the focus of the child. The child can do this independently. You don't need to sit along with him for a long time. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked it. If yes, please hit the like button. Share the video with your friends and family. I shall see you soon with another video. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.